If you get this error message which says Smart Hub is being updated, please try again later on your Samsung TV. Then in this tutorial, I will guide you on how to resolve this problem. So listen to this tutorial very carefully and watch this video till the end. I'll be providing the step-by-step guide on how to fix this issue. So maybe the first step may not work for you, but the last step may work for you. So listen to this tutorial until the end. Now, the first step we need to try to fix this issue is uncheck Autorun Smart Hub feature. To do so, just go to settings on your TV, then select general. Now scroll down and select smart features, then uncheck Autorun Smart Hub. So just uncheck Autorun Smart Hub feature. To do so, go to settings, then select general, scroll down and select smart features, then uncheck Autorun Smart Hub. Now, if you've done so but are still facing again the same issue, now the second step you need to try is reset your Smart Hub. Go to settings, then select general, then select support, then select device care. Now, once you select device care, it will start to check for any issues regarding on your Samsung TV. Now, if it finishes, select self-diagnosis, then select reset Smart Hub. Now, after resetting your Smart Hub, it will ask you for a PIN. Enter the TV's PIN. The default PIN is 0000, which is 4 zeros. This will reset Smart Hub and fix any update issues. Now, if you have reset your Smart Hub, but you're still facing again the same issue, now still not working, now try this. Now, if you face this error which says Smart Hub is being updated, please try again. Maybe you are trying to open the Netflix or Amazon app and you face this issue, then listen to this very carefully. So if you're trying to open maybe the Amazon app and you're facing this error, now here's how to fix it. Turn on your TV and don't open Amazon Prime or any other app yet. Instead of selecting Amazon or any streaming app, open Samsung apps or the App Store. This might trigger a quick loading screen. After that, go back and try launching Amazon Prime Video, see if it works. This trick forces the Smart Hub to finish updating in the background. Let me know if this helps. Actually, someone was facing this issue and shared on the Samsung forum, which was this one, which say, I was trying to watch a movie on Amazon, but it wouldn't load. I go through the normal process, logging out, logging back in, turning the TV off, etc. Nothing worked. I googled the issue and decided to reset the Smart Hub on my Samsung Smart TV. In doing so, I got stuck on the Smart Hub updating message. I tried turning the TV off manually, resetting, finally tried the factory reset, it didn't work. Gave it one last shot. Before pressing the Amazon Video app where I'd get the Smart Hub message, I pressed the Samsung apps instead, where I was brought to a quick loading screen. Hadn't seen that before, so I figured it might have worked. Checked the Amazon app and I was good to go. Movie started playing. So weird. So he was able to fix this issue by just opening the Samsung apps. Just follow the instructions like this. Turn on your TV and don't open Amazon Prime or any streaming app. Instead of selecting Amazon or any streaming app, open the Samsung apps or the App Store. This might trigger a quick loading screen. After that, go back and try launching the Amazon Prime Video, see if it works. These tricks forces the Smart Hub to finish updating in the background. Now, if you've done so but you're still facing again the same issue, just contact Samsung support. If you go to their website, just select here support and you see the option to chat with them, call or email. So just select chat and contact their live chat option and explain to them that you're facing this error which says Smart Hub is being updated. Please try again and you'll be able to fix the issue.